So now, guys, before you actually go, subscribe if you are new to this my channel, and if you are my subscriber, I just want to say welcome back to my channel. By the way, so a quick analysis on our pairs for this week. We would want to be seeing our card JPY index, by the way. So before I actually go, if you watch my video, you see when I predicted that we're actually going to go bullish and when we are going to be falling again. You can watch my previous video on our pound JPY where I said we will actually be having a fall. At least this is our key area here, which I've just highlighted. At least this is our key area here, and we've actually have that fall. Now we're actually having a bullish move. Guess what? Our price will be moving. We're actually going to go bullish this week. Now I'm going to give you about 3 to 4 reasons why we're actually going bullish on our pound JPY. First reason is that the Bank of England, if you watch our news, listen to news about on Thursday, the Bank of England increased its interest rate at least to it has increased to at least 1.7, so maybe 75 or something like that on that Thursday. That Thursday gave us a bullish move when we actually had the fall. Now we actually that's that bullish move. We can see the long week. Now we can also see another bullish move on Friday, and we can see here as a resistance area. This place has served as previously as its resistance area. You can see rejection. So this is another indication that our price will probably be reversing it, going bullish off. So our Bank of England increased the interest rate, which means any pair, which means we are actually going to be going bullish on our pound. If a country increases its interest rate, would actually be going bullish on it. That currency tends to go up. So that is one reason why our pound is actually going to be going bullish this week. Now you can see our JPY index. As you can see, our JPY index is actually falling. We are actually having a fall. Now we actually see this pullback. Definitely we are going to continue a fall again on our JPY. You can see our JPY is now falling on it. So we are now going on a bearish move. If you have to analyze it on a full time frame, you can see we actually be falling, by the way. So now we actually got a retracement for a while. Now we're actually now seeing a fall again. So on our JPY, when we are seeing a fall, any pair related to our JPY should actually be going bullish. Since our JPY will actually be falling, then our pound itself that relates to our JPY should actually be going bullish. That is reason number 2. That is another way to actually take your buy position. As you can see now on our 4-hour time frame, we're actually on a bullish move. We are actually on an uptrend move, and I always advise that if you are to take your buy position, go on your 30-minute time frame. When you see multiple break of structure upward, it is a good opportunity to actually take your buy position, and you can see multiple break of structure upward. You can see the rejection around there, multiple break of structure upward. You can see now that is under reason 3 to actually take your buy position on our 30-minute time frame. Now reason 4 I'll be giving is go on your 4-hour time frame, apply your moving average, 10-period moving average. Once our price is above it, then there's no other way down to actually take our buy position. Or our daily time frame, once you see that, I'll suggest our 4-hour time frame, because that's exactly what I usually use. Once our price is above our 4-hour period moving average, it is a good opportunity to buy. So that is 4 good reasons why you should actually take your buy position on our pound JPY. So we're actually going bullish again this week. So definitely this week our pound will actually be going bullish. This is our key area here. And I want you to also know something again. There's every possibility we can even break above it. Yes, there's every possibility we can break above it, because we can see at our JPY, there's every possibility to break above it and continue bearish move. That's giving us a good signal that our JPY is now actually our pound JPY is now going to go bullish. This is our resistance area, break above it and continue bullish move. So this week, by the way, our analysis is that our pound against our JPY is actually going to be go bullish. So let's take our buy on our pound JPY. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Thank you very much.